Yeah, my peeps, welcome to another day in Apex Apartment Lifestyle. Today we're gonna be cooking oxtail with beans. Okay, so we're here, we're at the meat market, and this is oxtail by the entire box. Like, you could get an entire box like for 89, like, you know, at a wholesale price. And if you want it already cut or minced, you could get it in the packages like this, which is a little bit more expensive. All right, but today I'm gonna get the one from the box, which is not cut as yet. It's like the old tail. So I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna go get it cut. And all right, I'll show you when it's cut, what it look like. So that's actually the butchers being getting it cut. After they finish cutting the meat, this is what it should look like in small chunks. This is your seasoning that you're gonna need for your oxtail. So as we move along, we're gonna wash, season. All right, so all the meat is washed, so I'm gonna season it, and I'm gonna put a little cayenne pepper, and it not too much because cayenne pepper is strong and it really will make the food pepper. So oxtail seasoning, we're gonna put some oxtail seasoning to it. I can throw it from the bottle because I know the amount to measure because doing professional, but if you wanna do it to your own taste. And this comes as Grace Oxtail pre-sauce for the oxtail. Some people use it, some people don't. So this is a pre-sauce. You don't want to throw too much in it because you don't know how dark the meat will get. And I like to use Gravy Master. Some people use browning, which browning is good, but browning is more for cakes. So I like to use a little Gravy Master. And when I have the Gravy Master, then all you gotta do so for me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all this in it so it will stay like for an hour, 2 hours, so all that, you know, grown seasoning will soak in it. All seasoned. All right, yeah, so we're gonna make sure there's a little bit of oil in the pot so the pot is sauté. We don't want too much oil in the pot because oxtail have its own little fat to it already. You're gonna have to put a little oil, and then you put it like that, and then you leave it so that it will just start making its own little water when you cover it and steaming. All right, I said before, like, you just cover the pot to steam, and there it goes, it's steaming. I don't put water in it because I'm not boiling it. I'm just using the own water to steam it from the pot cover. All right, so that's what I do. See, it's all steaming, coming along nice and chunky just the same. So that's what I do. I'll leave it nice and steaming. And as I said, I'm doing some rice and beans to go along with oxtail today. So that's what it is. All right. So here we are. Yeah, my oxtail is simmered down on my bed. So we're gonna put butter bean. Okay, so I'm gonna add butter bean to it, so that's what we do. Oxtail with butter bean. It's all nice, and then we're gonna leave it for a few minutes to simmer. All right, so the meat is all cooked, nice and tender. When you see it shaking like that, you know you don't even have to taste it to know it's soft. Because oxtail, you can't cook it too soft, else it will fall from the bone, and you don't want it to fall from the bone and become a mess. All right, so all right guys, there you go. There you got the final stage of your oxtail all done with your rice and peas and your vegetables. So that's how you cook oxtail with broad bean. So just remember to like, subscribe and share, and hit the notification bell. Next, we will have a different thing cooking for you. We're gonna do jerk chicken. Alright, jerk chicken. So let's talk about, and everybody have jerk chicken pan at them yard. Some people can do it in the oven. So next we are gonna do jerk chicken. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when it come out. Alright.